Welcome to another episode of Behind the Make. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Coca-Cola production, one of the most iconic beverages in the world. From the careful selection of ingredients to the secret syrup formula, carbonation, bottling, and distribution, we'll uncover the craftsmanship and science behind this legendary drink. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new episode. Now, let's get into it. The story of Coca-Cola begins in 1886 in Atlanta, Georgia, with a curious pharmacist named John Pemberton. Pemberton was searching for a remedy that could effectively relieve headaches while also being refreshing. After experimenting with different ingredients, he created a syrup using a mix of botanical extracts, caramel coloring, and a highly secretive formula. This concoction was initially called Pemberton's French Wine Coca before it became the global sensation we know today. Originally, the syrup was mixed with soda water, making it a carbonated beverage that could be enjoyed by customers. Since Pemberton was a pharmacist, it was only natural that his creation was first sold at a pharmacy soda fountain. What he didn't realize at the time was that he had just invented a drink that would go on to change the world. Now, while we can explain the process of how Coca-Cola is made, there is one major challenge. The original recipe is one of the most closely guarded secrets in history. It is said to be locked inside a secure vault at the World of Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta, and only 2 employees are allowed to know the full formula at any given time. Their identities are kept confidential, they are prohibited from traveling together, and if one of them leaves the company, a successor is carefully chosen to take their place. Although the precise recipe remains a mystery, some key ingredients are well known. Coca-Cola consists of carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup or sugar, depending on the region, caramel color, phosphoric acid, and natural flavors. However, what truly sets Coca-Cola apart is the proprietary blend of botanical extracts that give it its signature taste. The production of Coca-Cola begins in Atlanta, where the company produces the secret syrup concentrate. This concentrate is then sent to Coca-Cola's trusted bottling partners worldwide, where it is transformed into the final product. To ensure the highest quality, the water used in Coca-Cola goes through an extensive purification process before being combined with the syrup and sweeteners in enormous mixing tanks. The precise ratio of ingredients is carefully adjusted based on regional taste preferences, which explains why Coca-Cola can taste slightly different depending on where you are in the world. Once the mixture is perfected, it undergoes the carbonation process. This takes place in a pressurized chamber where carbon dioxide is dissolved into the liquid, creating the signature bubbles that give Coca-Cola its refreshing bite. But at this stage, the drink still needs to be packaged before it can make its way to consumers. Coca-Cola's bottles have a history of their own. The first glass bottle was introduced in 1899, and since then the design has gone through several iterations. The modern contoured bottle, which has remained largely unchanged since 1957, has become an instantly recognizable symbol worldwide. In addition to glass bottles, Coca-Cola is now also packaged in plastic bottles and aluminum cans. Once carbonated, the drink moves to high-speed bottling lines, where automated machinery fills each container with precision. The process ensures that every bottle or can contains the exact amount of liquid, while allowing just enough space for the perfect foam head when opened. After sealing and capping, the products pass through labeling machines that apply Coca-Cola's iconic branding. Now, before the drinks are sent out for distribution, they must go through rigorous quality control checks. Coca-Cola's commitment to consistency means that every bottle and can is examined to ensure it meets strict standards in taste, carbonation, and safety. This process includes sensory evaluations, microscopic inspections, and advanced testing methods to ensure that every sip delivers the same great taste that consumers expect. And there you have it. The process of how Coca-Cola is made, from a secret syrup formulated in Atlanta to a globally recognized beverage enjoyed by billions. The next time you crack open a can or bottle of Coca-Cola, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship, science, and history that go into every sip. If you enjoyed this inside look into the making of Coca-Cola, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into how everyday products are created. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.